Okay, guys, we have another channel.
This is part 2 of us making the omelet.
Part 1, because part
2.
Part 1 was disappeared, remember?
Oh, yeah.
So this is part 1. So today we are making a... Yes, I'll translate that for you. He was referring to an omelet. So what we have here is a few items. Let's go ahead and name this. What is this?
This feels mushy.
Yes. What type of, what is that exactly?
Mexican boy.
A Mexican what?
Boy.
Mexican boy.
Yeah.
No, not you. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about the vegetable in your hand. What is that?
That is called a Mexican boy.
Okay. Now, what is that in your hand right there?
Mexican boy?
Is that a yellow boy?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we have a little bit of, you know, I've never really done an onion in the omelet. So just do it. Okay, so here, I want you to video me real fast, because remember what happened last time? Here, hold this while I watch this real quick. So you can video yourself talking, or myself doing the washing of this good stuff.
Hi, guys.
Yes.
Got butter.
All right. And just for the record, guys, this is not a Mexican boy. This is a green pepper, a bell pepper. Okay. Next is a yellow bell pepper, yellow bell pepper.
Ding dong.
All right. Now those are all cleaned up. See what we got here. Have a cutting board. Oh, all right. Now we have, let's see here. Have a cutting board. And then, yes. Let's go ahead. Oh boy, let me go ahead and get the knife. Knife is important.
Yeah, knife is very important, but first you have to sharpen it.
No, it's sharpened. You want to see me sharpen it?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Here you go. Whoa, hold on. Can you see me?
So guys, he's gonna sharpen that. Yeah?
This is a knife.
Yeah, that
This
can
is a
kill
knife
people.
sharpener.
That can kill.
Having a sharp knife is very important in the cooking game. Ask Chef Ramsay. Should be good. So, whoa! Thought something was chasing me.
How is something chasing you?
Don't know. Are you ready?
No.
Do you want to cut it, or I'm going to cut it?
I cut it. Get
You'll cut it. Okay.
Make sure,
Whoa!
make sure you have.
Whoa! Just one clean slice down. Okay, that's plenty. Yeah, don't play like that, please. You need your thumb.
No
Just one.
yelling in a YouTube video.
Well, you scared me.
That's a YouTube rule.
That was probably scared the audience too. Just do one clean slice.
No, that's
Yes.
a YouTube rule. No yelling.
It's a YouTube rule? Okay.
No.
Well, a YouTube rule is no cutting fingers off either.
Yeah? No? You can cut your fingers off all you want.
No. Okay. That's not on our channel, though. We don't cut fingers off.
Yeah?
Okay.
On a game channel. That I don't know.
Uh-oh, hold on. Somebody's asking for something. Yes, sir. How may I help you?
Get away, that's a stranger. Go.
All right, he's coming back.
No stranger.
How's that coming along? Oh. Oh my gosh. What happened to our cutting gloves I bought you?
I don't know.
That would probably come in handy right about now.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna cut my hand off. That's a YouTube thing you can do.
okay.
Stand up.
All right. Oh!
That was a trick. Dad, it was like this.
Yep, it sure did.
I did.
Better that than your thumb. Okay, this is gonna take a long time. Come on, let's go. We still need to do the yellow and the white onion.
I'm gonna do a trick.
You can do 3 at a time. That'll speed up the process. All right, that looks good. Okay, let's cut this now. Okay, there you go, pal. Next one.
I'm gonna do this because I like doing it like that.
No, just straight down. Got it? Oops, sorry. I wasn't even recording you. Oh, he's sad.
You bad. You're sad bad. Do not record me cutting off my hand.
Well, don't cut off your hand.
Because I am. That's
Please
the best
don't.
thing of a YouTube video.
Yeah, we'll get a lot of likes and CPS chasing me. Yes. Don't. Okay. Don't. What?
E.T. That's from E.T.
That's from E.T., huh?
He
What?
touched that saw when it was going on. He was like,
He doesn't not lick it.
yes,
He doesn't lick it.
yes.
YouTubers, does he lick his finger after he cuts it? That doesn't sound right.
Yeah? Blood tastes like metal. Because there's metal in your skin. Mom says. Ah! So guys, this is after Christmas. So it's like on our weekend.
Actually, it's Thursday.
Yeah, Thursday. This is when I'm making the YouTube video.
All right, let's go ahead and get some of this onion.
I'm gonna mix this together.
Wow. Criminals.
Guys, are you filming? Dad, are you filming?
It's filming.
Where?
Right there, right next to you.
Oh. That's showing the food, not us. Guys, I have a knife.
Okay, let me see it. I'll cut this next one, okay? Talk about the next step. Talk about the next.
This is how my dad cuts his finger off.
Wow, thank you. Thanks for jinxing me.
Haha, jinx.
You know what a jinx is?
Yeah. And you say jinx and the person can't talk for 15 million years. Only if you say his name. Jinx.
It's gonna be a lot of onion, actually. Maybe too much onion for my taste. Whatever. Mimicking.
Guys, look! Guys, I'm showing you the TV.
Incredible. Magpies are well known for mimicking the sounds that they hear most frequently. Those fires now affecting a large part of the country.
Hey guys, ready for the next
I'm coming back. Guys, after this, we're making sugar cookies. Because, look, sugar cookie thing and to shape it out Christmas things. But it's after Christmas. My elf left. So he used to be right here the other day, and now he's like gone. Because he went back to Santa's workshop.
Okay, guys, check it out. What do we have here? We have a product of
Or
Italy.
oil.
You have to record it.
Or,
Product of Italy. Organic extra virgin olive oil. The private reserve.
can you see?
Yep. And you see this? This is called mantequilla.
Mantequilla.
Or-
That's a Spanish way to say butter.
That's right.
Dad, can you film me? Because I'm doing that. I want to cook.
You're doing this.
I want to cook.
You're
I
doing
want to cook.
Sorry. Just drop it in there. Drop it like it's hot.
Drop it.
Okay. Perfect. Now, uh-oh, spaghetti-o. You know what I just realized? Our mixer is dirty. Yes, it's our mixer. Here you go. I'm gonna put this right here and whoa!
You're gonna set that on fire, bad thing. You're gonna set that on fire.
If this thing can just hold for 1 minute. Okay.
Phone says you're not gonna.
Oh! That almost your toe!
Phone said it's not gonna hold.
Almost lost his toe.
Yeah, that's what
Alright, obviously we need better props than this. Okay, there you go.
Guys, look! Guys, Dad, where's the phone? Oh, you can't see inside. I'm gonna let you see inside because all you're seeing is fire and a stove that's not empty. Looks like that. Very satisfying. Guys, tell me in the comments below what it looks like. So, no, put it backward.
That was classic. I love that. Okay.
So,
Next step. What are we gonna do?
put it back.
What are we gonna do next, buddy?
Stop putting that so close to my head.
Okay.
This in.
All right. That's a lot of butter. Xander, put down the knife, please. Oh, okay. We lost. We got some casualties here. We got an onion. We got a pepper. And we got a leaf.
What?
Who said we were cooking leaves?
Me? I put a leaf inside there. I was like, a leaf on the ground, finally. I'm going to put it in that so I can see what it looks like.
All right, now you need to mix it.
Okay, guys, see that? Hear that? It's the sound of stuff burning.
Sizzling.
Sizzle. That it just one of the sparks touch.
It sizzled your finger.
Yeah. Last time my dad put it on like 8 and it like got all big. It got as big as I am. Like 9 inches and 15 feet.
Ooh, that smells yummy.
No? Sizzle.
Don't sizzle your nose.
Yeah.
Okay, while that's doing that, I'm gonna get the next step. The next step is the
Chupa sugar.
cup of sugar. What kind of omelets are you making?
Super sugary ones, because I like sugar.
All right, we're gonna do 3 eggs.
3 eggs?
Whoa! Nugget! Sorry, I forgot about the no yelling policy.
Hey, that's a you.
Here. No.
Oh, forgot.
We're doing an omelet this time. We're not doing just scrambled eggs.
Oh, no. Make sure there's no like
Shells.
shells in your food. But then it's gonna taste yucky. Sometimes you can choke because you're gonna put it in your.
I don't know about all these onions. Oh well,
Guys,
I'll eat it. I guess onions are good for you, right?
do we need 3?
3 eggs, 3 eggs. I'll move this to the side. It's still sizzling. Then let me get the omelet. Where is the omelet maker? Somehow it's missing. Maybe it's inside of here. Xander, what are you doing? Don't just crack. Oh, Lord.
There, guys.
Jumped on your shirt. Mom's gonna be so happy.
How is Mom gonna be happy?
I was being facetious.
Facetious? Facetious.
Let's
Guys,
see.
when my dad's filming the video, you can say, I'm gonna wash my hands. Guys, I'm gonna tell you some YouTube rules. No yelling, no saying bad words, and the most important rule, no saying bad words.
Yep. If you say bad words, what happens to the video?
Delete.
And what does the parent say? Did I hear a bad word? Turn that off right now.
Yeah.
Give me your
so
phone.
No doing those inappropriate stuff that you shouldn't do on YouTube. Ever.
That's right. Go ahead.
My dad likes spices.
A little bit more of this oil, even though I have so
Guys,
much.
look. That sounds fun. Guys, look. Dad, put the camera. Ooh.
Did you say it's satisfying?
Yeah.
Like, gotcha. I've seen that video before.
That's so satisfying. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. I want to eat your face. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Ah! Guys, make sure you put butter on it.
I did.
I'm telling the people how to make omelets.
Oh, sorry.
And make sure to put butter on your thing that holds your omelet. Whatever, Scott.
Okay, I think it's ready. Go ahead and pour it on now.
Guys, let's hear this noise. It's going to be louder. Louder. Hear that? That's the sound of eggs. Make sure to... Still a little...
Next, this is what we do. We have to make sure all the omelet is all over.
Yeah, that's what you do, guys. This is
Very
me. That's
lightly.
Me. That's me.
Oh, that's you.
Ooh, guys, that's satisfying.
Actually, let me twist this a little bit.
Yeah, because... There's a puppy.
There's some on this. Whoa! Slow down.
Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. I want to burn you. It's going to be bigger.
All right, let's turn this thing down. Or we can turn it off. Yeah, turn it off. Okay, now I think we need to sprinkle the cheese on there in a little bit.
No.
Not yet? I think we're ready.
No.
Okay. Filling all the holes. But we need to hurry up because it's going to start getting brown on me. So we need to put this in here. Come on. Put the... That's actually too much oil. Hold on. Here, let me have it. Hold this. Hold this.
So guys, we made a mistake, a super huge mistake. Look what it looks like. That's not what an omelet's supposed to look like. It's supposed to look like more yellower and not white. So Dad's just
It's
putting
fine.
it.
It's fine. Now we need to put the cheese.
Dad likes it like that, but
I do.
you
Here.
won't like it like that. Like the person who's watching this. You're not even watching it because like this thing's not recorded, so
It is recorded. Everything's being recorded. But we need to hurry up because it's burning right there. And that edge right there. Okay, that's probably enough. I don't like that much. That's way too much cheese. I gotta think about my heart. All right, let's flip it over.
guys, when you flip it over, flip it over. I'm bad at flipping it.
Well, I don't have the right tool, but I think you're doing a good job. Pretty good.
No.
Pretty good.
Oh God, I made a hole in it already. You can't even.
Look at that. That's amazing. That's an omelet made for a king. What do you, don't cut it in the middle. Hey, we have our first customer.
Oh! Did you make food, Xanda? And a coffee?
All right.
JJ wants to come in.
All right, all right. We have a special guest, JJ. So, Alexander, are you going to taste the omelet?
Oh. No.
Of course.
No.
Come on.
Fine.
Well, let's go ahead and put it on the plate.
That tiny piece is mine.
That itty bitty weedy piece.
Yeah, I want an itty bitty piece.
You're on a
I'm
diet?
not getting the big.
Okay.
Because what if I don't like it?
I'm sure you're going to like it.
I'm sure I'm not. I don't know. No one knows. Whenever you taste it, you know if you like it or not.
All right. The ultimate test.
No. The ultimate taste is testing this sugar cookie.
All right. Sugar cookies after this.
In the comments, say how much you like cooked sugar cookies.
All right. Let's go ahead and do it. We're going to have our bite, our first bite.
This is why it rings, because
Oh, yeah.
I hear nothing. So
Let's,
it's lying to us.
let's take our bites.
No, it doesn't ring.
Let's take our bites.
Okay, okay.
This has been a long video.
Yeah, like almost like an hour, I think.
Let's see how this goes. Cut a little piece off. And then just eat it up. Let's see.
Guys, do not look at. Stop filming me. Stop. Stop!
This is Marcus and Xander signing off.
No. We have to make more because we're making a sugar cookie.
I know, but it's another video.
Oh.
Goodbye, night.